Hello, today we're going to be looking at how an administrator can log in as any user in Salesforce. Particularly helpful if you are troubleshooting different automations, etc. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to the setup quick find and just type in log in. And here's the login access policies. So there's the setting here, administrators can log in as any user. This is what you're going to want to enable. Now, very important, if you are in your setup and you do not see this setting, what you need to do right now is to go ahead and contact support. So you can go up here to the top right, go ahead and hit get support. This will take you to their support page, and you can just easily reach out to Salesforce and say, hey, I would like to enable that administrators can log in as any user. This is exactly what you'll need to do. It's very quick. Usually the turnaround is very quick. I've done this across several orgs, but definitely open up that help case. So go ahead, hit contact support, and from there you can go ahead and do it. And so that will get you this enablement here. This is obviously in every dev org, but in production you will need to get that support ticket in for them to enable this. So now as I go to save, now that setting has been changed. So if I were to go to users here, on the users, you'll now notice that this is just the only other existing user. I can go ahead and log in as Jane Doe. As you do that, you'll notice that a banner will appear at the top of the screen saying you are now logged in as Jane Doe. So anything I do here will be as if I am Jane. And then from there, if you want to log back out and go back into your admin, it'll log you out here and ask that you go ahead and log back into Salesforce.